Sorry, Nai. Hi friends, in this video I want to share few words about the malfunction happening inside the Indian country by the scientific groups and related terrorists who are asking the global president's project in their names along with the help of lot of terror females by saying I want the project in my hand. Global president is not in a legal way of approaching the females, he is disturbing sexually. But actually females are only disturbing the global president in the bedroom by ghosts and other females, and global president is not having any human resource of attacking them. But they are daily disturbing the global president by using this type of words and asking the project in their realms. By the guidance of some social actors to capture total project in their hand. Further, they are collapsing the global president's dawa in other countries. Like that, they are attacking the other countries to capture the human resources of global group work and global presidents work like that. Iguani and some other alliance groups and other some other Iguani and Matwani and 3 or 4 or 5 families. This type of surgery they are doing inside. They are actually in Tamil Nadu, some Mandalur nearby Jerusalem areas. They try to store some global security force elements or chemicals, and they are trying to eat that in their hand by saying I want that global source in the hand of Indian country than the global security forces, which is in the under the control of the proprietary control of the global president called the China forces. This China forces is will have air force, will have sea force, will have land force, will have weapon force to save the world peoples, which from nation to world, where nation is saving the money or wealth in the form of liquidity or solidity or other forms. Because presently the global president get some accidental view of seeing liberation peoples or liberation tiger, liberation attacks are attacked the total world areas and they collapsed totally. But none army, none polices, none military or none security forces are ready to save their childs. They are not even ready to consider what they are saying. They are giving more pressure of giving income tax. They are more pressure of asking the properties in their hand. Like that they want to improve their skill, like that they are improving only. They are not ready to give any support to the type of people who are in the work for the global president. Like Jayalalitha, in the Jayalalitha case also it's a global mountain growth, global area. It's one of the global war. It's one of the network area, world standard JR TV network. They are also disturbed by the policies and other rowdy activities like Sun TV areas. For the question why you are disturbing the females by sexually. Actually, from other countries like Nepal, Kolkata, Rajasthani, Maharashtra, a lot of people are enter inside the Tamil Nadu to save the global president myself. And the time I was in that Tamil Nadu coastal area, but they are not ready to show the global president to them. They cheated that small children from who are coming to there, and they placed them in the houses and they cheated them. They sputtered some unwanted things. They earned something and they stressed and strained. In lot of cases from Nepal areas, their females who reached there to save the global president was married or was sexually disturbed or was given by some some cleaning works. Actually, that Nepal is in a very high zonal area than the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is in a lower zone than that Nepal zone. There is this much difference is there that actually people are not ready to listen what global president is saying towards that word, but they are always saying Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu. In Indian country, nearly 37 languages are there. They are not ready to listen what global president is saying. They are asking totally I want project in my gun, I want global president in my country. Like that they are saying unwanted thing. They are not ready to listen. In that case only the rowdy activities like stalling that area, fire or cut that Jayalalitha into a lot of pieces by saying, I will eat girls who will come from any country. Like that, they cut Jayalalitha also in that area, along with some support of doctor. Before that, when I was in that Apollo, they captured the Apollo and they well planned the attack that politician, I think so. In the next step, that police inside the Karnataka, they plan to attack the Yediyurappa in Karnataka by saying, I want to kill Yediyurappa also to capture total property in Odisha. Like that, they are also more trying to cheat something and they want to eat something of politicians' network. If they want to improve their network, they have to work with their tendency and their potential by taking some, by riding some car or by riding some bicycle, and they got to earn by their own. They can't achieve any this type of burglar or this type of theft to improve their network. This is not a good habit to move in that way. They can move in a positive way to achieve their actually in that view what they are doing, like that they are trying to cheat all the wherever they are seeing good network, they want to capture that and they want to place it in their side. Like that they planned, I think so, but they don't know what they are exactly doing. They again they try to cut the Yediyurappa in Karnataka with the help of some Tamil Nadu polices by saying Tamil Nadu want total Earth Raja in their control. Like that they are playing some jokes along with some Arabian princess and lot of princesses are inside the Tamil Nadu by saying we want to give total Earth Rajam inside Tamil Nadu and we want to eat that money in our country. And we will not allow global president to start their global work or human resources in his hand. We females want that project also in our hand. Actually, if you want project, you can do your well standard work. I can't give any global person or global work to you were controlled than my control, that is called as very holy place of secure place than you want. So if you want to work, if you want to earn money, you can earn in a world standard. You should not come to the global standard. It's a global work. God didn't ask any compulsory attendance in the work. Interested people only can apply. God didn't give any mandatory call to any people towards this job. Who are all able, who are all obeying the constraints of the constraint mountain of the global work or the promissory note of the global work, they can apply. Otherwise, no need to see this job or no need to kill any good people for this one. They are trying to kill my global president Dawa. They are trying to kill global president supporter in all the places to say I don't know who is global president. They are simply saying global president is from Latin cleaning area than other areas. Actually, global president who is in Iyengar caste creation, he is in a new tonal caste creation called as some Mandra caste creation, some Mariamman in some Tamil Nadu places is asking total project in his control by saying I am only having the total devotional or spiritual power in my heart. No one will have like that. Like that is some unwanted words they are saying, and they are placing all the Anmika power in the gene along with some Vardhanagaran area. They are selling that to other countries and they are asking the and doing sex in that power, or they are selling the power and asking the support from other countries to achieve their aims in a negative way of handling the problem. They are handling the problem in a negative way, in some negative path or black path to achieve their aims. This is also not good for their life. Actually, in this project, in this work, as per the word of God said, it's a very hard work. Like on those days, Ranva area work for Varana Randana. You heard of that, but it's a very secured area and very emergency period. Enough arms work. This work mostly employees or management itself will get nearby after 2000, after 2000 month only one employee, one management of today if I take one MLA plus is having 2000 management, one management will get salary dividend only after that 2000 month. It's a cycle card. So one and only way of achieving this target for this global mountain is they need to be in some other job and they need to work whenever required to this to get some output and to continue the job. This is the one way of achieving the target, but it is in a proprietary concern. As per the word of the global person started this task for his personal purpose to give some potential for the present God who are coming to the earth is not ready to given by any finance support or any power support or any human resource support. Whenever he is coming, always he is stressed and strained. He is not ready to given by the marriage by the people surrounded by them. For that purpose only they are creating this work, but for that also they are not ready to hear what is the constraint given by below the work by the constraint mountain. They are trying to collapse the mountain and they are trying to collapse the peak, and they are trying to create in a negative way called as Asura mountain or some other mountain to get a Asura human resource to do their project in a negative way by the enemies to eat total properties in their hand. Even the global group presidents are not ready to submit what they are doing inside their global group, and they are also giving stress to their security. It is very harm to their country securities because it's related to which is already attacked by Hiha. Hiha power, which is in Africa, is the main enemy of this global group. It need to vacate from that place. Then only global president can start the work with the help of all the supporters. This is also one of the main declaration given by the global president. But let's see what is happening. Actually, in this work, global president is doing some prestigious presidential party. Along with that, within 1 year is a very prestigious declaration towards the people. Within 1 year, God need to be in God need to give global president need to give a global language or that globally very easily teachable learnable language to the earth people, and that global human resources need to come to the earth and which will speak the global language need to finish within the 1 year is the word of the God towards the Dawa in the Assam areas, because God set some target, some grip, or God needs some grip from Khadan or South Kashmir area. Need to get that grip to get the global language to achieve this task. The global president gave only 1 year time to close this work. After within 1 year, I need to get that language. I need to learn that, and from the space, from the God myself, I need to get the human resource which will speak that global language is the task. So both Assam and Kashmiri people need to hear this word to get that output within 1 year. It's a very prestigious message towards the earth people, because who is responsible for this word need to be in Taba to get that output. Because Bada Pacific area is related to this global language. It's a very dark Lord and Lord's activities where that source is going to be located. So Bada Pacific is not at present. Bada Pacific is not available in that area because it's going to be in cluster form. God said to join that cluster into a Bada Pacific. God said to take the another one, Atlantis land. I think some land is going to come out. God said to take that land also. That land also going to come with some empire empress. That Bada Pacific land also going to come with this global language source. Actually, word of worship is that global language source as per the word of God. So, who is responsible for that? Need to be in Dawa to get that language within 1 year. Who all need to learn. So, whether it is able or not is a question of the God. Question of salvation. That is myself. Let's see how I am getting. Because within 1 year, I need to give that global language or that totally 5 language, 3 language. If this is within my in my hand. 2 language, 2 mountains trying to collapse are taken by the terrorists called as Kavita and Sivakumar and religious series. And I find how they are getting the language, how they are getting that mountain, and try to realize myself. They are trying to take other 2 lakh. I am a Panch Katage. So other 2 mountain they stolen. So some 2 mountain is there. One is for a global beating mountain, other one is for a global easily understood. This is global language mountain. These 2 mountain need to locate, need to pray by the Dawa. Let's see what is happening in this world. Before 1 year I need to achieve the same. So very hard Dawa need from whatever continent. So let's see what is happening. This is one of the emergency prakarna by the global president towards the INF work announced and other one of the world creational work towards the Dawa. Let's see what is happening. That Dawa for the global work or they need to be named, and God will do that work, and God is in that research. Actually, this let's see what is happening. God is also in the work of Dishnapur project to give the Art of Arabia called as some slump space research slump like space research NASA Udara like that. God plan to give some space research slump in Dishnapur for global work than Indian country work. They are not ready to listen what God is saying. It's for global research, not for Indian country research. I am stressfully saying that the Indian country army is again asking that project by spreading some rumors. Some Kanda peoples are asking that project in their country, spreading some Kalavra in the God is again stressfully saying that, but no need to think about that project. It's for not for Indian country. It's only for global than your Indian country. God is in the work of nearly 7 or 8 projects. God planned to give that project in some other names and what he named already. God changed the name. Some palace are there. The great palace of the globe, or the great palace. That great palace, then the hotel palace. That hotel great palace is enough than other words. You can use like that than other words. So which are the words they are not ready to like? I can remove that word and I can use other words for the word. It's a next idea towards me. So what I said that all about it. Actually in this work, all the people need to submit their data in the Google Pay, where I am going to place CypherSoft. In that form you can enter what the data is I am asking. You can fill and it will come to myself. I can reply to yourself in the mail. It's a small technology I am going to say. Whenever it comes, I will give with the original signature, original verification symbol, because in case they try to cheat, you can find, because there are a lot of forgeries are happening using genetic robotic sound and age generating lives, genetic robotic to store the properties and minds of clever and human resources. So all the people need to save yourself. They need to have awareness to avoid genetic life sets and other things by using genes or other robotic methods. Because always they try to take their properties of others and try to collapse the health of others. This COVID corona and other things are also one of the sexual disease, which is another sexual problems. Let's see how to go the skills. This Dishnapur budget is a global budget than the Indian country budget. It don't have any Indian country specific. It is fully oriented of global persons personal work than your country work. It's not country oriented, it's a global person, some personal work. For global work, a global person is using like their United Kingdom kings personal ruling, like satellite view monitoring, like that. Global person want to monitor the earth by satellite. For that purpose they are creating. It's not country oriented or country related work, it's fully oriented of personal related work. So no need to in that work by thinking it's a global, it's a country work or any other. It's not a country work, it's a personal work than your country work. That I already set in the memorandum of the registration of the project. Let's see, it is under construction. It is I am trying to open that companies in the form of Dominion power than Dominion others, because in emergency period I am opening this to get some financial flow to my supporters. My supporters are trying to build by Indian country armies by saying Indian country army having more power than the global peoples, and there are peoples and uppers and like who are handling this situation against the Indian country armies, who are asking the total properties in their hand, who don't have faith or who don't have any faithful work in that. They are always asking the total human resources in their hand and they want to order like that they are dealing the case. Nobody will give that their resources to your hand over. Because I am the captain of the captaincy, I can order to I will order to the all the sea by my captaincy power. They are not ready to listen what I am saying and they are asking me the total properties in there. I am the grandfather, the grandfather, I am having the enough resources in my hand, but they are using enough symbol by saying I am having some powers. Why enough power will have enough is in my control. But the INC is for only is for a network purpose. Enough I need to sign. Shouldn't I didn't sign anything. It's not allowed to that. Some scientific network is giving some resources by saying I am having this Asura power in my hand. But it is not Asura power. Asura power will talk in some other language than Tamil or English. They are not ready to listen what I am saying. It's going to be a new language, global language, it will be a new language. After five new language going to come in that one is Iyengar, a cash Mandra language is also there like Sanskrit. This is also happening. This is also by my one of the research by the myself a global person. I am also doing the research in the kind of in the satellite area and the doctorate in the medicine area like dot medicine, language medicine. I thought a lot of output I am trying to get, but they are not ready to listen. They are shooting my supporters by saying God should not do any reserve work in your hand, by in the hand of global person. They are asking global person need to teach that to the one of the management, and management will eat that money in their hand as a government, and we want to use a petrol in our we want to use one of the management and we want to eat petrol and we want to enjoy their life than their global person. Like that they are saying some joke and they are asking the valuation teaching to their hand, value that total control in their hand. But it's a main aim of creating the CAG redressal is only for the financial flow in this emergency period. God needs some financial flow. For that purpose, mandatorily, God gave that special permission as a 2 governor of 2 reserve bank or 3 reserve bank. 3 reserve bank is in the control of the global president. The president order forever and ever. It's a order of the God towards the earth. They are not ready to listen what God is saying, and they are disturbing the God against the people under us. They thought they are very good people, and they are asking the control in their country, in their hand, to eat the money again in their hand, and they want to enjoy their life, patrolling and roaming, like that. They are again cheating there. They are not ready to save any commandos of the global person, and they are asking to use EGA, enemy of the government power, to the work of global person, which is a secured area. If I use, I can't secure my global war. This is the situation what is happening to myself. I am trying to use the free flow for my iron currency and for my financial flow for my global work and global budget, but they are having jealous, or they are having uh, lot of supporters to collapse the work of God, the global president. The previous global president is Peter John the Peter. I'm the next king of that relevant father. I'm the next relevant father, Eddie Alex. I plan to give this output towards the earth by my knowledge and by my designing, but others are saying I can't design, so I can't support you, like that. I didn't call anybody. I just said to give your history and our certification towards myself. If I have qualified, I will teach something, and after that you can start the work. They are not ready to listen. They are stealing the data from the center, and they are trying to steal, and they want to restart, they want to start, they want to eat, like that. They think they are not ready to think what they are stealing from the research center. They are stealing from the research center of Peter John, the Peter England, and they are joking something in the lot of areas by saying I am having lot of knowledge and all that. This is not as per yours. In lot of areas, in that one of the bank called as Union Bank of India is asking total properties in their hand by saying I don't want to see the global president. Global president not from a Punal, the young Kahar caste creation. He is from Latin cleaning, like that. He is saying somewhat, and he joined with some Latin people, and he is giving some Latin symbols in the skin of the god, and still that god is not married. Why this project is happening? Why God gave this mountain? They are not ready to do child or marriage. What God is having in the horoscope, and they are cheating that he is married, he is cheating, he is drugging, like that. They are cheating. For that purpose, God, the global person, pray to God. God gave that gift to God to get the Mangalya in 21 of the God. It's need to monitor by these mountains and other mountains. For that purpose, God created this creation. They are that also asked by some females by saying I want that management also in my heart. But God joked, if you not ready to come for marriage, to whom I got to call? They are just asking total properties in their hand. If you want to eat all the total properties, you the roommates or you the mass need to reach the world standard work. It's a global standard work, very very holy place than you are. So no need to come here, no need to listen about what God is saying to you are. Let's see. God is having nearly this area. God is having nearly 2,000, nearly 3,000 nearby mass supported girl. So interested females need to can apply. Don't try to see what God is saying to you all. If you interested, you can apply. All are the life partners, all are need to be in the work to create the chest, global chest, to save all the wealth. Actually, God planned to give a Karmari power, which will talk global language from space, will given by different ways of face to live with yourself. So as per the word of the God, I need to give that report in 1 year to give marriage to all the global management styles. Who are in the teenage position who are in the marriage position to marry. So they need to wait for 1 year at least to get a global management seat if they are qualified or if they are interested in that work. Let's see what is happening. I just informed this message in emergency Prakana, so save yourself, and the one need to be there to get that output from the sky. Let's see the improvement of the sky. Let's see the improvement of the language creation. And that in lot of areas they are selling the Mongolian creation of myself and other data in half rate, or trying to collapse the work, they are spreading rumor towards other areas. Don't try to believe. If you want, you can directly ask the God's mail or God's phone number. what is happening. I will explain what you want, what you like, and in which way you want that. Don't be lunar, because anti-lunar is happening against the God. God need to save all the people. Let's see, and God need to save lot of soldiers who are under the sea by the Gandha forces, their enemies. So that also God is in the very special view. So who don't want to see that type of medical area, don't try to come nearer to God. God is in another position than you all. So don't try to take. The females are asking total properties in our hand by saying we want total global properties and total nationalization properties, all the richest people properties in female hand, or the manpower of Anmiga and Asrama in our hand, by saying one and one can live. But in a horoscope, how many females are males? Like wealth, males are having female wealth, or females are having male wealth. If 3,000 wealth, 3,000 male wealth, if females having, they need to marry 3,000 wealth. If 3,000 female wealth, males are having, they need to marry 3,000 wealth. Then one female is the order of the God. But they are not ready to listen what God is saying, and they are disturbing their people by saying one on one. It's not a one on one. If you do one on one during the 30, other 29 reaction will attack, and the time your son will die during that attack suddenly. This is the words towards the accused who are asking joke from the God. If you have the ability and if you are qualified, you can get that much female wealth or male wealth to your bed. Then you are banned seeing and banned touching of females and males by the comic race and comic eyes. That only want by the polices and security forces in other areas than your jokes. It's not a joke of others. It's also one of the wealth, like males and females also one of the wealth, because they are having some type of feelings and things. They are also one of the wealth of the earth. We are in the earth to enjoy the life than fight. So let's see. Let's enjoy the life with happiness. As per the word of the God, some female in Tamil Nadu goddess Sumanambika said some prostitution law is there, that is only called as some Edai Talavan and Edai Talavi. That is totally failed. The concept is totally failed. Actually, as per the final result of the God said it is related to some type of samana layers of segregation. It seemed to be a exology, the multi-tara areas, Paladaramana area, then one-to-one concept. They are totally cheating that by to capture total money of the richest people in that world. They are saying if any richest having 5 or 6 life partner, they need to go total properties to the Tamil Nadu or Kannada, or who are asking that. Like that they are playing some jokes and they are asking total properties. It's either video clip by saying females are only holy peoples, males are not having that much holiness. Females, if females got anything, they got achieve all. Like that they expect some unwanted things are asking the nationalization. 14 banks, total properties in their hand, total net worth, all the net worth share in their hand. Like that they are taking